Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Instagram in 2024. So let's get started. First, open up the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. And you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram app installed in your phone. If an update is available, go for it. And now, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And once you are here, simply tap on Account Center. And now tap on Personal Details. Here you will see the option for birthday. Simply tap on it. And now you can change your birth date to correct one. Simply tap on Edit. I can't change it because I changed it recently. And that's it. You have successfully updated your age on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.